Change your thoughts and you change your world. It sounds simple, but it's one of the most powerful truths in life. Every achievement, every breakthrough, every business, every fortune, and every success story began as a thought before it ever became a reality. The challenge is that most people allow their circumstances to control their thinking. They focus on what they don't have, what went wrong, or why something can't be done. Over time, those thoughts become beliefs, those beliefs become actions, and those actions ultimately shape their future. But the moment you change the way you think, everything begins to change. When you start seeing opportunities instead of obstacles, possibilities instead of limitations, and solutions instead of problems, you begin creating a completely different future for yourself. You stop waiting for permission. You stop making excuses. You stop accepting average as your destination. The truth is that your current situation does not determine your final destination. Your mindset does. Successful people are not necessarily smarter, luckier, or more talented than everyone else. They simply made a decision to think differently. They chose growth over comfort, action over procrastination, and ownership over excuses. If you want a different life, start by creating different thoughts. Feed your mind with positive influences. Surround yourself with people who challenge you to grow. Focus on where you're going instead of where you've been. Because when your thoughts change, your actions change. When your actions change, your habits change. When your habits change, your results change. And when your results change, your entire world changes. So if you're ready to reinvent your future, build a seven-figure compounding residual income, and help customers save money every month without ever writing you a check, it's time to take control of your financial destiny. Now visit TruPowurCareer.com to learn more, and we'll see you on the inside.